Today, we're diving into the classic debate, running versus walking. It's a showdown between two of the most accessible and effective three of exercise. Stick around till the end to find out which one might suit you best. Weight loss and fat burning. Let's cut to the chase. Weight loss comes down to being in a caloric deficit. Both walking and running can help you achieve this, but the pace differs. Running burns calories at a much faster rate. In fact, running for the same duration as walking burns roughly 2.3 times more calories. So, if saving time is your priority and you want to maximize fat burn, running is your go-to choice. Accessibility. Now, let's talk gear. Running typically requires specialized attire like sportswear and proper running shoes. On the other hand, walking doesn't demand much in terms of equipment. You can stroll around in your regular attire without any fuss, making it a more accessible option for most people. Mental and physical benefits. Both activities offer a plethora of benefits for your mind and body, as long as you stay consistent. Walking and running help boost your mood, reduce stress, and improve cardiovascular health. Plus, they're fantastic for enhancing overall fitness levels. So, whether you choose walking or running, both can support a healthier lifestyle. Which one wins? So, who emerges victorious in the battle of walking versus running? Well, it depends on your lifestyle and goals. If you're short on time and aiming to burn maximum calories, lace up those running shoes. But if you prefer a gentler, more accessible option that's kinder on your joints, walking might be the way to go. Ultimately, the best exercise is the one you enjoy and can stick with. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Also, comment below which one you prefer more, walking or running.